Hello everyone, I am Dr. Chinnababu Sunkavalli. I am a robotic surgical oncologist and founder CEO of Grace Cancer Foundation. Today I am going to talk about most important life-changing disease, or you would say ailment, is hearing loss. So in order to raise awareness, in order to create tangible change in the lives of people, Decibel Dash Run 2025 is being organized on March 2nd. I request each one of you to sign up and join this movement. If you can understand the importance of this event, WHO says more than 500 million people are affected with hearing loss. Many young lives by 2030 would be having such major issue with respect to the hearing issues. So I request each one of you to come in big numbers, support for this cause. Together we can make a difference in the lives of so many. So I am running. I want to see you there at the start line. Thank you so much.